Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate a simple recipe that measures two lines and find the angle between those two lines. Let's start building a new recipe. It's important to watch the introduction video tutorial first in order you to understand the program flow. I will start with the grab image instruction. As I was mentioning before, for each instruction we create a detailed tutorial, so I won't explain everything right now. Just watch the grab image tutorial for more details. Let's search in the instruction bank. You can press G in your keyboard to find all instructions that are start with G. In the grab image instruction, you can import an image from your local hard drive or grab it from your industrial camera. Check the machine configuration tutorial to know how to set up and recognize your camera. These two options allow me to load the image from a constant path or raise the selection dialog so I can change the load path each time I run the recipe. It's very useful when I have a stock of image to test. For this demo, I will load an image from my local hard drive. I want to use a constant image path, so I won't need to select the image each time I run in the recipe. Because we aim this software to be a metrology software, we must supply non-compressed images that end with BMP format. So I selected the path. I run this image from this location. And each time I run execute, the grab image command will run and grab the images. I can change the zoom plus, zoom minus, but each time I run the execute, the grab image will load the parameters that include in the zoom options. Let's continue to the line detection. You can find the line detection in the shortcut menu. Click on it and let's click Continue Train. A new dialog is open now and you need to define 2 points on the line. Use the left button for clicking. If you want to change your choice, click again on the 2 different points. Click on the green V button to continue. Now you need to select an ROI. ROI is region of interest. We use this term in many places in our software. The tool trying to find the line automatically in a specific area. So in order to find it, you need to narrow the search area so it won't confuse with other lines that appear in the image. So actually the previous step is just helping us to place the ROI box. Now we need to change the size of the box so it includes only the line that we are measuring. You can use the mouse center wheel to change the box orientation. Click V to continue. Let's add another line. Run the execute button to see the result. Now we will add a display instruction. This will show the line's ID. You can see now this is line number 2 and line number 3. Now let's load a different image. To do this, we'll need to retrain the grab image parameters from constant path to use browser. Select the grab image line, right click with the mouse and select edit or retrain. Select choose image using browser. Click OK. Now each time I click execute button, I load a different image. Let's select a slightly different image. Look what happened. The images moved, but the lines didn't know about it. And as a result, we have a fail detection. Another helpful tool is debug mode. In debug, you can see the ROI of your tools. Usually, you need to turn it off because will be too much graphical information on the screen. This situation happens in real life. When you measure a stack of parts, you cannot bring the inspected part exactly to the same location over and over again. So we will need some tool that will help us first finding the part. This tool will be the anchor of the other measurement tools and move them to the right position. In other machine vision software, this feature is called template matching or pattern matching. We call it navigator. The idea is to crop and save a unique shape or area in the part and let the software teach it and store it in the memory. The next time you will grab the image, the tools will search this feature. Add the navigation tool and click continue. Select a unique place to track. Watch the navigation tutorial to learn how to select a proper template. Next, select the ROI for searching this template. The template should be in this area. Why not just select the whole screen? Well, finding the part is time-consuming operation, and also sometimes there are similar areas that can wrongly detected. Now notice that the navigator is in the last line. Let's change it so it be after the grab image and before the line detection. The navigator should always be before all other inspection tools. So you always start with navigator and then you can proceed to the other inspection tools. After teaching the navigator, we need to reteach the line. Select line detection, right click, edit, continue train and redefine the points. Now let's load different images to see what happened. Click on the blue brush in order to clear the graphics. You can also activate a single line and not the whole recipe for a step-by-step operation. Double-click on the line according to the recipe order for a single-step mode. Double-click on the navigator will only run the navigator. After that, double-click on the line detection will only run the line detection command. Now we would like to output the angle between those two lines. Add the show result dialog. Make sure that show dialog is checked. Run the recipe. The job of this dialog is to collect all the data that generated by the inspection tools. You can always add more inspection tools. Just keep in mind that the show result will be the last one in the recipe order. So let's start by finding the X location of the line. Select the tool number. Select the argument X and click on the red arrow. This is the absolute X location of the line. Select tool number. Select argument angle and choose a different line. This will be the relative angle between those two lines. Also select the navigator tool number. Select the score argument and click on the red arrow. This will be the score, or how much this template is identical to the original one. It's good in case you put the wrong part. Now take each result and push it up by clicking the red arrow. Now we can give this result a name. Let's call it line 2 apps X, and we give it the top and the bottom tolerances. Let's for example 1000 microns. When you measure a real mechanical item, this is the step when you enter your manufacturing tolerances. I will select another result for example. Now I can make this dialog be invisible by right-click, edit, and uncheck the show dialog. You can see your both results are here with the upper and the lower tolerances. You can watch the show result tutorial to learn how to use it. That was your first recipe. Most of the software use default parameter, so you don't need to change almost anything. Try to change the line position for practice. In my next video, I will demonstrate more of bVision tools. Thank you for watching.